All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ryan's Radar. Sorry for yesterday. I recorded an entire clip and I didn't switch over the mics because I did another video before. I used a different mic and I never switched back over the settings. So I'm sitting here talking to myself and you see me, but no words are coming out of my mouth. So it is what it is. But we actually have some good updates and some good news for anybody that has been following this page and following the content that we drop. Even though I haven't been as super consistent because of the back end work that we've been doing for Agnomi, just know that everything's going well. We just put out an affiliate program, and it is going to be something that y'all have never seen yet. At least in the affiliate space, a lot of people don't use the things that we're going to be doing. We're going to be using our own coins. It's called Nomi. We have Eknomi launching this week, going into next week. I keep saying this week, next week. I'm not exactly 100% sure on the exact day. I just know that when we are sure, y'all are gonna know, and it's gonna be posted, and it's gonna be exciting. Get your lifetime memberships. You got 5 days left if you guys are interested, because once those things hit 0 days left, it's gonna jump up to 2,000, and you're all gonna be sitting here, however long later, saying, "I wish I would have jumped on it." I'm just saying, it's that stuff that happens all the time, especially with big successful company launches like what we are gonna have. The indicators are priceless, and the value is going to be absolutely absurd. So get a hold of it, get inside. If you have questions, join the Discord, hit me up. We're here to help. So what is it? EURUSD. So for EURUSD, we are talked about how we were looking at it being bearish overall, and because of the fact that it was hitting these weekly demands, I wanted to see it drop a little further. It's playing games, but it's not playing games. It's following the rules. It hit the demands, and it's retracing, right? It's finally making some sort of retracement. And that's good because we've been wanting to see something along those lines. I'm not very fond of price just consolidating and dropping again. It doesn't really follow proper flow of structure. I like seeing lower lows, consolidation, pullback, drop again. And that's what we're getting right now. So let me show you what I have written out for your USD. So price ended up pushing to the upside, and after retracing to a 1 hour demand this morning, which was right here for those of you that don't see that. So this was this morning. This box right here, this yellow box or blue box with the yellow 1 hour demand was wick. So before this was a box, it was a yellow line. Price came down into it at 1 a.m. my time, Central Standard Time, 2 a.m. Eastern. And by the time New York session took off, boom, it just exploded. And it didn't go back since. So, and right now it's on its way up to that 4 hours supply and then further 1 hour supply. So let me continue. 1 hour demand this morning and having news push price up with some momentum, potentially enough momentum to keep the push going. I do expect some retracement back down before that next push up due to a break of structure, but we will see. We'll have to see how price handles the next 12 hours to truly gauge the direction for the day. I can see price shooting up to the 1 hour supply at 1.07234. Is that right here? Yep. So it's about here before another move happens. So we'll see price shoot up. Overall, in my opinion, I don't think it's going to retrace yet. I think it's going to do something like this. It goes up, hits, retraces, and continues. If it doesn't want to do that, and it'll cause a induction of breakout traders for the highs here, the equal highs that are here, and then they'll come back down, touch demand, and then take off. Or if they say, screw what Ryan just said, we're going to just go all the way up. We have this potential as well. And don't think this is likely unless there's some news event. I do believe we are going to see some pushes because it's Asian session. This is where they trap traders. So don't get caught up in the hype. If they are going to trap, this is one of the things I gave out in my free lesson, my free training was even the push up to this supply right here is still considered a trap move because it's still taking out equal highs. So although this is a move and this could be a take profit for anybody that's in a temporary buy for the moment, I wouldn't expect it to be like, hey, let's buy and hold it all the way to here because we're going to most likely see price retrace. So keep that in mind. But I do expect price doing something along the lines of continuing up. There's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of trap liquidity down here. And I do believe they're going to go up and get more before heading back down. So expect bullishness if it's during Asian session or pullbacks during London and New York. For GBPUSD, it's a similar aspect. They had a GU had a very big push right here. You can clearly see that's a massive engulfing candle. Took out the last two daily candles, which that itself carried a lot of momentum. I would say more than EU because of I just know GU in general. It always throws these, it'll induce here, right? So you have a box of a consolidation range. It breaks out, induces traders on a higher time frame, and then the very next day wicks the opposite direction and it throws a massive engulfing candle. So my opinion is price is going to shoot up towards these daily demands, but it has to go through these supplies first, right? Because so price is in supply. We don't really take buys in supply, but this is one of those things where I don't even think it's going to retrace, right? So let me show you what I wrote. Price restricted out the daily, weekly, monthly demands. That's actually why I was doing it. This was a weekly demand. This is a daily demand. And then this right here, where is it? Oh, yeah, is the monthly. So it hit all of these within the last 2 days. Pretty solid. So much so that we could potentially see a continued rise similar to EURUSD. I'll be expecting some sort of pullback down into newly formed demand for an optimal entry. But be prepared for that to not happen as well. I am seeing price making its way towards the daily supply at 1.25109, which is what I was just saying, and that is right there. Right. So I think that's going to happen personally, and we're going to find out how it works going in tomorrow. But that's what we have. Expect bullishness. Your optimal entry, of course, is if it pulls back. Just expect a stop hunt, just like I was talking about on Euro. They like to stop hunt her early, come back down, then they'll grab it. Just don't fall for the fake out. If you are in a buy early, trust the process, trust your gut, see what feels the most comfortable, and then make your decisions from there. That's what we're looking at. And if you guys are interested in everything I said in the beginning, please take advantage. And if you want me to go over the other pairs, you have to join those elite groups. You have to get inside Economy before anything. We have trial packages out right now. Hit me up if you're in the groups, or just email me in the description below. Join the Discord, whatever. We're here, and things are going to get crazy, popping, exciting, new. I think everybody's going to allow the word new to enter into their life as they progress and with what's going on. So I'll end it here. Everyone have a great night. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace out.